Extrude command, one of the most used commands if you are a modeler. Okay, in Maya there is multiple places where the same tool can be found. I will show you a few places. First place, let's open Modeling Toolkit. As you can see under the component, we can see Extrude button. If you hover over the button, you'll get additional information. Second place, in the tabs area, you can find poly modeling tools. As you can see, in here we have Extrude icon. Let's move to another tab under Modeling, Edit Mesh, Extrude. As you can see, this is a square. If you press that square, it will show additional options. We will talk about it later. Okay, so we'll move to the next where we can find Extrude tool. So first of all, probably we will create a cube, frame it. We will select the object. It will be Extrude. Okay, so for Extrude command, let's try to extrude it. So select the face, press Shift, right mouse click, Extrude. Great. So we have a thickness. We have local translate z-axis, offsetting, divisions, and keep faces on and off. However, in this situation, you cannot see how it works. So let's select the face, add some divisions. Once again, extrude it. Keep the faces off and try to offset a bit. As you can see, now they separate as individual faces. We can turn it on again, keep that faces together, and you see the difference. However, you can extrude not only in that manner which I showed you. For example, you can select a curve, create some line. You can pick the whole object, for example, or create new one. Select the face, select the curve, and whoops, let's go to a modeling area. Extrude it. As you can see right now, it's extruded a straight line, and this is a straight line because we don't have enough divisions. So let's add some division, and as you can see, it's bending along that curve. Okay, so probably I will clean up the scene. Okay, so as we're working not only with polygon mesh, we can try to show you how to extrude Nurbs. And for example, I will pick this circle. Okay, let's clean the history, freeze transformations, select the curves, and we will shift right click, and voila, we cannot extrude it. So if you're working with Nurbs, under modeling tab, look for surfaces, and there is a extrude as well, as you can see. And as we can see, it's not following properly the path. Probably it's not fixed. So let's move to inputs and let's check. Fixed path is off. Let's set it to on. And as you can see, it's following properly the path. Okay, so from extrude perspective, you know the basics. You can try to do some work with back extrusion.